anybody that has any history of dentistry remembers Painless Parker, the infamous Painless Parker, who drove around New York with a horse-drawn dental chair with a band in front of it, acrobats in front of it. He was a friend of P.T. Barnum, the circus. Yeah. And he's an outrageous guy, had signs all over New York. Advertising in dentistry has been forbidden until 1970, but this guy was kind of a renegade, and they tried to nab him and jail him and gut his practice, but here he trots over all New York saying that he'll pull teeth 50 cents a piece painlessly. But his painless method is pretty severe. He'd cook up cocaine and he would check cocaine, and he had a whiskey there too. So it was whiskey and cocaine that was his anesthetic. And if the patient had any signs of pain, he had a signal to the band to play louder, so that nobody in the audience would hear this guy yelling or hollering about the pain. No. So anyway, that was the original Painless Parker. Well, what we think now, we can be Painless Parkers at 2025 without all the horse-drawn carts and plodding along St. Pete with bands and acrobats and the showmanship. But anyway, the funny thing about it, that P.T. Barnum told Painless Parker that someday all dentists will be advertising, and how true that's been. And because when I started practice, advertising was forbidden. I mean, for the 10 years I was in practice, you couldn't have a sign more than 2 inches, or you'd be fined or lose your license. So it was really strict. So I kind of grew up with advertising, marketing. It's kind of a no-no. It's kind of been a hard transition to see that, excuse me, that's the way we do things now.